What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be doing an overnight challenge at the famous Seacliff Bridge. But first we're going to go into the history and tell you guys a little bit about what the Seacliff Bridge is. So the Seacliff Bridge is an extremely popular tourist destination just south of Sydney. This bridge is used when you are travelling from Sydney to see the South Sydney areas, these little beach towns where some of us have lived in the past and some of us still live there. It can be used for whale watching. It's very popular for the sunsets, as there's a track that goes up above the bridge and you can see the whole view of the bridge and the sunset. That is where we are going to be going to today and getting some sunset shots when we wake up there in the morning, which is going to look really good. This spot is also just used when people are on road trips, and it's a spot for them to stop and do a walk and stretch their legs. So the Seacliff Bridge was built in 2005, and the reason for this was because there was a road that went through there, but it stuck right to the cliff, and there was actually a lot of rocks falling down and coming off the cliff, and it was actually very dangerous. So that is the reason they created this amazing bridge, and it's become a really popular spot. We've been there many times before, but we have never done an overnight challenge there, and it's going to be really nice to do and get some really good shots. And also Tom is going to be bringing his FPV drone, so we're going to be getting some amazing shots there as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just finished editing that intro and I sound pretty off, guys. I'm sorry about that. It's just I'm a bit sick at the moment, but this intro was filmed a lot after this video was filmed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it anyway. Okay, me and Tom at the bridge. Tom's about to go for the first flight. He's very nervous. What are you scared about?
The water. It's first over water flight, so none of it's been waterproofed, so.
Come to under the bridge because Tom wants to do a shot going under the bridge. Hope you guys like that edit. Tom, got any words on that, what you just did?
Really stressful because that's the first time I've flown over water, and I haven't done any waterproofing on the drone, so it just would have taken a bit of splash for it to go down, like short and go down. So my custom built drone, it's a 5-inch freestyle, like 6S drone. That's the battery. It's digital, which is good, so it's looks good, and it's just so fun. It's really quick. It's really quick, and it's
insanely quick.
Really fun to build as well. There's a bit of soldering involved.
Jesse's still coming back from work, so we got my Hero 10 on that today.
With Jesse's ND filter.
Yeah. If we lost it, it'd be my GoPro, Jesse's ND filter, and Tom's drone all lost to the depths of the ocean. So we are going to be sleeping here tonight. So we're going to be doing some scouting out where we're going to sleep here tonight, and We're going to be cooking up some food. It's going to be nice. Now Tom's batteries are done for the drone. We're just going to be finding that spot. We're getting the rice going and then we're going to set up a tent. We're having unwashed rice tonight.
Unwashed. Nice. Jesus, I am on the cliff. Oh boy.
That's it, Jesse, that's good. Get some more if you can.
Nice.
Nice, eh, Tom?
I get that flame going. Oh yeah, baby.
Do you like that rock? Just to hold that in, because it's broken.
Oh, nice.
Leon's. He gave it to me.
This would be like a premium homeless person spot.
The rice is served up. Tuna and rice, Tom.
I'm gonna have a little. Yeah, not bad.
Good, actually.
Alright.
Should we sit on the bench
Get
and
that
enjoy
in
the
ya.
view?
Get that in ya.
That guy looked harassed. Food's done. Setup is done. Got the time lapse set up on a really nice makeshift stand, and I will be using this light to light that up. Tent's ready. Tom's getting ready in there. Jesse's gone for the last 20 hours. He always falls asleep first. And yeah, we're heading to bed now.
Tent makes it seem intense.
It was definitely really heavy at one point.
I think that was the heaviest rain I've ever felt of my life. That sunrise is gonna look amazing. That guy's wet. So yeah guys, a little bit of a failure there. We checked the weather forecast and it said like the weather was fine, and then Jesus, that was probably the worst rainfall I've ever felt. It felt more intense because we were in the tent, but I think it was very intense that night because we could feel it in the morning as well, and we could see like the puddles that had been made overnight. And I think it was because we were like up on the cliff, like the rain came in hard. So yeah, there was absolutely no sunset whatsoever. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. Bit of a fail, but I thought it was quite funny still, and luckily those FPV shots came out super nice. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video, and stay tuned for the next one. And I also wanted to say thank you so much for the recent support on my last video. That video is going crazy, and yeah, I didn't expect it to go that well. So yeah, this gives me motivation to just keep uploading more, and yeah, thank you guys so much. There's much more to come, and yeah, thank you guys.